LB out here in San Diego.
ALB didn't have no, I had no conditions your way, but ALB sounded good. Leroy Brown, 51, right back.
Yeah, 410. I heard you coming in there above the chicken scratch, so I figured I'd jump in there real quick on the beam and say howdy do since I hadn't had the radio on in a couple weeks there. 410?
Hey, Roger, I know I hadn't heard you a while. Of course, my Cali conditions kind of faded there the last few days, but hey, LB, you sounding real good over here.
410, yeah, we're just using this wireless radio out here in the shop again. Big Phil brought it back over a couple weeks ago and just decided to put it back in line, and we're just running on the beam in this 4-pill there, 410.
I tell you what, that's all you need there. Got you past the 40 on those meters, so hey, it's done a good job. Sounded real good.
410, I do appreciate it too. Well, I mean, we could do that too and try to get it up to about 50 dB, but I don't know if it could, it'd like to run like that there. 410?
Well, I tell you what, it's almost there, because this old Galaxy got a friendly meter there, no doubt, but hey, you got it almost up there for sure. ALB, that 4-pill's doing the job.
Yeah, 410, this old straight 10-pill, this diagonal 10-pill is a 220 special. He built this box, this is the first box he ever built, and he brought it over and said, here's a get well present. My get well, a 10-pill, because yeah, it needs a couple of resistors. You fix it, you can have it. So I put it in line and got a couple of, kind of a little bit of a hooky setup here. Need to get a battery, real power supply for it, but we got a 200 amp plus battery charger, and then 4 batteries go all plumbed in series. So we just use that for right now when we want to talk on the radio, and it doesn't have too much of a voltage drop, so seems to be working pretty good, and we'll just keep running it the way it is there, 410. All right.
Hey, Roger, I tell you what, I'd almost get sick if a friend do me that way. I'd get sick a day or two anyway, Roger. Hey, but that's a good deal there. That's good you got friends that do that for you. Hey, but LB, you got it working good there, sounding real good.
Well, let me get out of the middle of the road, man. I just wanted to say howdy do real fast and jump out of the middle of the road real quick. Singing this, but he's 12.
All right, LB, have a good one around the junkyard, my friend. Appreciate the shout as always. Hey, we'll catch you again, 51. Sit back here. Got some more locals in there trying to holler at DX, so let me get out of the way. Leroy Brown, take care, my friend. 51 gone.
410, we'll put it on you later. LB and BOC is rocking on.
I go in there, 51. I ain't got no conditions out there on the birthday. Just so you.
They had a roasting meal. They give me this. Good afternoon there, 302. Give me a second. I smell something burning. Your damn SWO.
Oh, you better not run APO up. You better not APO up there. Nobody will put you up.
He gave me the specs on the 7. And me and Double, I come down here, man. We started playing with a fucking fuel string meter. I thought it's working too there, 302. That thing is smoking, man. Let me turn it on you in a second. I gotta check something out.
That's up there where that's your running. That's all about you boys out there and LB's out there. Made a whole bunch of noise out here. Hey, little boy. Johnny just turned 67 years old.
40? Sounds good out here in San Diego. 302 in the Big Dam. LB in the BOC.
And I forgot Johnny. Johnny, a happy birthday, wait.
Happy birthday to you.
I lost you that time, brother. I ain't gonna lie to nobody. That tough-looking Mother Nature came in there and pushed you off the side. Boy, she was real mean that time.
Yeah, I got it all. Appreciate that. Happy birthday, sure do. I've been down to the house there. Better I cut the big old saber. Appreciate it. I'll see you. Bye-bye.
That's a value, boy. 26-5 Virginia. Let's away. Hey, who's it up in Eastern Tennessee? A value, boy. 26-5 Virginia, right? Yeah, what's up there? 513. I was in the double-looking mobile earlier, man. I heard you back there cutting up in the mobile there, right?
Oh, yeah, my boy. God damn. Bye, boy. Bye, Jody. Jody got it all. You said it all. I got it all. That's right, boy. I'm out here. Let's have picture boy. I'll let you.
Yeah, it was cool. I was in the mobile.
Hey, good evening there, Drummer Boy, 51. Sitting back, listen to that Johnny. Take care, Drummer Boy, 51 on the mail. Hey, drummer boy, have a good round of Beaumont if you got a grip. 5-1 Virginia.